This is session 3, adding polynomials. This is a new concept. We've done basic adding polynomials. This is going to go a little more in depth, so we can, after we add, we will be able to subtract, and then we will be able to multiply. Adding polynomials. When adding polynomials, you will look for like terms to combine. We have already done examples of combining terms such as x plus 3 plus 4x plus 9. So what you will do is you will circle the x and the 4x, and that x is a 1x. It's an implied 1x. And then you will underline the positive 3 and the positive 9. Those are the ones we are going to combine. So when you have 1x and 4x, you get 5x, and plus 3 and plus 9 is plus 12. These are expressions. They are not equations. You are not moving anything around, except you are combining like terms. The phrase combining like terms mean you're either adding the terms or subtracting the terms. In class, I would tell you to look for terms with the same last name. So I'm going to start from the left of the equation. I'm going to circle the first one. That is 7y. I'm going to look for somebody with the last name of y, and I have positive 8y. Those go together. And when I combine those, I get 15y. I then go to the next term, and I find that I have a positive 2, just a plain old number, goes with a negative 5. A positive 2 and a negative 5, when I combine it, gets me a negative 3. And then I go to the minus 5x squared. Make sure you're circling the signs that precede it. Negative 5x squared and 6x squared. That is a negative 5 and a positive 6, which is a positive 1x squared. And you don't have to put the 1. That is your final answer when it is saying combine like terms. Let's try some examples. Again, I start with the first one. I do 7y. I then circle the positive 3y. 7y and positive 3y is 10y. I then go through and add 2, plus 2, and a negative 1 is plus 1. That is your final answer. If you choose not to circle your signs, the mistake is you will see that is a 2, you'll see that is a 2, and that is a 1, and the mistake is you'll make that a 3. So take the time to circle terms and make sure you keep the signs that go with the signs. Again, combining, I'm going to take a 3y and a positive 2y, and that is a 5y. I'm going to combine the positive 7 and the negative 5, and that becomes positive 2. Sorry for the highlighter, should have changed the pen. The next one, again, I have a 6x squared and a negative 4x squared. Make sure you get that negative with that 4, and that becomes 10. Ooh, no, it does not. See, I messed that one up, thinking that was a positive. 6x squared minus 4x squared is 2x squared. Then I combine the positive 10 and the negative 5 for the positive 5, and that is my final answer. You will see on some of your exercises that it has, sorry, let's try 3 examples. That's not what I need, because this is the third example. You're going to have, let's get rid of that first. Let's get rid of that. Oh, no. Anyways, we're not going to get rid of it. Says let's try 3 examples. This is our 3rd example. Okay, so you're going to have this where they're combining 6x plus 3 with negative 6x plus 3. You do not need the parentheses because of the addition sign, so you can rewrite it dropping those parentheses. And then you will combine the 6x and a negative 6x. 6x and negative 6x is 0. And then you have a positive 3 and a negative 3. That is 0. You're still combining like terms. Your final answer is 0. Please do this assignment. If you have any questions, please sign up for a tutor time. Let me know how this one went through your grades, and we'll progress from there. Thank you.